Hello YouTubers, this is my new channel. Yeah, Persona Guru 2. Yeah, I got my last channel deleted by my ex, but whatever. This is about my guns and ammo for WORL shit hits the fan situation. I'm just starting up and saving up. It's been several months there. So let's start off first with the guns. Here is my SKS. She is a beaut. And yeah, I'll just put tape there for a good grip. The handle's not broken or anything. These are all safety checked prior. It's just I got the locks on them and everything, and I don't want to take them off. Yeah, but she's accurate. And then a lot of shooting with her. I put over 400 rounds through it, and no misfires or nothing. Here is my new gun. This is my Polytech Narinko M14, and she's a beaut. She's a beaut. Those peep sights, they're really nice. Yeah, she's a nice gun. There is a longer mag for it, but I don't know where I put it at the moment. I just thought I'd keep that one. But yeah, it has a longer mag for it. It's pinned to 5, just like this one, compliant with the Canadian laws. Here is my shotgun that I recently got just before the M14. It's a Mossberg Crusader Cruiser. It holds 8 rounds. It's 20-inch barrel, heat guard. It's a really nice gun. I've put a lot of rounds through it. I've shot up to 3-inch Magnum double-aught buckshots through it, you know, and it's pretty manageable, the recoil. Those are my guns. Now for my ammo. Now right here, that is my 308. It's MFS. It's made in Russia. They're 145 grain full metal jacket. It's a nice round to a 308. You know, it's could be good for hunting too, but not the full metal jackets, because it's not a clean kill and it's illegal to hunt with them. But I got 80 rounds of those. I got 20 rounds of these for the 7.62 by 39 from SKS. It's just cheap, corrosive surplus. I'm gonna buy maybe another 2,000 rounds for it. Like, I've done penetration tests against like a tree like the size of my waist, and it really messes that stuff up, you know. But I'm gonna get some soft points for hunting, you know. I got some 22 here. Got some Remington Thunderbolt. I heard it's shit, but it's not bad, you know. I've shot a couple through it, maybe like 10 rounds. I don't shoot much 22 because I only got an old 22, and it's like a single shot, you know. I just plank with it and stuff, and pest control, you know. It's there. Can't see the stamp on it, but it says Rem on it. Yeah, let me just close that up. Now I got some CCI Stingers here. They're good. They're for varmints. The casing's a little bit longer than your standard 22 cartridge. I'll just show you here next to some American Eagle. I can show you these at the same time. These are only 40 in a box. but they're much better quality. They're hollow points, as you can see, just like these. But see the casing, it's casing's a little bit longer. Put these back. I haven't shot a lot because, like I said, my 22 is just a single shot and just playing around with it. I did buy some ammo for guns I don't have, like well, I'll cover that after. Here I got 2 big boxes here of the rifle slug hollow points, and they're 15 in a pack. They're like 17 bucks at Canadian Tire. And I got a little box here, the ones that I've tried some out my shotgun. Like they're 2 3/4. They're a hollow point, 1 ounce slug. The recoil's it's manageable with a pistol grip. So I got about 34 of these. And then I shot a lot of this through my other shotgun I used to have, and then I sold it to my dad. But yeah, it's hard to hold the camera in open box. Just hold on a sec. There we go. These are nice. The recoil is actually less than a heavy fuel load. It's double aught buck, 9 pellets. I like these. These would be good for a shit it's the fan situation. You know, it's pretty cheap. It's Winchester stuff. Here's some high velocity. I just use that for plinking. You know, it's steel shot. Not really good for defense at all because it's steel, so whatever. And then I got the heavy game loads, number 2 3/4 inch. These are nice. And then I got some 4-shot. It's pretty much the same as these, except different size shot. Then I bought this, all these 4. It's 100 rounds, came in 1 box for $32. It's number 4, 2 3/4 inch. You know, it's really nice. Now here's the ammo for the guns I don't have. I just bought the ammo because for shits, take it as you will, shits and giggles, you know. I might want to get these are 22 Magnum hollow points. The casing's a little bit longer than your standard. You know, it's longer than your standard 22. And these are 140 grain. They're really nice. I can't wait to get a 22 Magnum. It's good for hunting small game, and you know. Then here's some MFS. Again. Oh, this box is not open. Here's some MFS 9mm Luger. It's a nice little steel cased, zinc plated, 115 grain, full metal jackets, ball ammunition. It's really nice. Like, it's fairly cheap, roughly like $13 with tax included for a box. I got 2 boxes right now. I got 100 rounds. Yeah, I might get a Caltech Sub 2000. Well, I am planning to get one soon. And then here is a box of 40 Smith & Wesson, 180 grains. I'm probably gonna get a pistol carbine that fires these because I do not have my restricted right now. But 180 grain. They're nice. Never shot pistol cartridges before, but a nice carbine with these in it. Be good for target plinking at the range. So yeah, that's my gear and stuff. So Yep. Okay, bye.